In this video we're going to show you how easy it is to make an egg curry with a spicy, thick and rich coconut sauce. Don't worry about writing the ingredients or cooking method down, as you can find this in the video description box below. Sit back and prepare to feel hungry. Let's check it out. Hard boil 4 to 5 eggs for 7 minutes. Then drain the water and set aside to cool. A vegan alternative could be chickpeas. Whilst the eggs are boiling, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods and 1 bay leaf and fry for 1 minute. Add finely chopped onions, garlic and ginger paste and tomato puree. Add the other spices. 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of hot chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Cook for 2 minutes over a low to medium heat. Add 400 ml of coconut milk and simmer for 5 minutes. Some coconut milks contain cow's milk. See the video description for a vegan coconut milk alternative. For a thick sauce, remove cloves, cardamom pods and bay leaf and blend. Add halved eggs to pan, yolk down and simmer for 5 minutes over a low heat. Turn over the eggs and further simmer for 5 minutes. Serve and enjoy with rice and naan. If you found this video useful, please do like it and subscribe to our channel to keep up with new content we'll be uploading related to everything home. Please do let us know in the comments section below your taste score out of 10 and any suggestions you may have. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, see you next time.